वेलकम टू माय चैनल कैबल्य नायक ऑफिशियल। आज हम बाकी के जो 150 से 180 तक क्वेश्चन बायोलॉजी 2013 नीट का आज डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 151। द डायग्राम गिवन हियर इज द स्टैंडर्ड ECG of a normal person. The P wave represents PQRS and T, the contraction of both the atria, sorry, initiation of the ventricular contraction, beginning of the systole, end of the systole. Answer is option number A, that is contraction of both the atria. Question number 152. Figure shows human urinary system with structure labeled A to D. Select option which correctly identifies them and gives their characteristics or function. A, B, C, D. A. Adrenal gland located at the anterior part of kidney secrete catecholamines which stimulates glycogen breakdown. B. Pelvis. Broad funnel-shaped space inner to hilum directly connected to the lobes of Henle. C. Medulla, inner zone of kidney and contains complete nephrons. D. Cortex, outer part of kidney, do not contain any part of nephrons. Answer is option number A, that is adrenal gland located at the anterior part of kidney secrete catecholamines which stimulate glycogen breakdown. 153 number question. Select the correct statement with respect to the locomotion in humans. A decreased level of progesterone causes osteoporosis in old people. Accumulation of uric acid crystal in joint causes their inflammation. The vertebral column has 10 thoracic vertebra. The joint between adjacent vertebra is a fibrous joint. Answer is option number B. The accumulation of uric acid crystal in joint causes their inflammation called gout. And question number 154. Characteristics example fluid catalyst between two bones, limited moments, knee joint, fluid field uh, between two joints provide cushion, skull bones, fluid field, synovial cavity between two bones, joint between atlas and axis, limb field between two bones, limited moment, gliding joint between carpals. ये synovial joint होगा, fluid field, synovial cavity between two bones, joint between atlas and axis. Question number 155. The diagram show the terminal and synapses given below. Identify the correct at least A to D. A तो रिसेप्टर होगा, सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए में ही सिर्फ रिसेप्टर है बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन पूरा ब्लैक हो चुका है, इसको डिस्कस करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है। ये है question number 156. Part A, B, C, D of the human eye are shown in the diagram. Select the correct option. ये एक eye का diagram है. A. Retina contains photoreceptor rods and cones. B. Blind spot has only few rods and cones. C. Aqueous matter reflect the light which does not pass through the lens. D. Choroid in the anterior part of the ciliary body. Answer होगा A. Option number A, that is A. Retina contains photoreceptor rod and cones. 157 question. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine gland? Endocrine system. Adenophysis is under the direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. Organ is in the body. Gastrointestinal tract, kidney, liver do not produce any hormones. Non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amount that act as an intercellular messenger are known as hormones. Releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by pituitary gland. Answer होगा option number C, that is non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amount act as intercellular messenger are known as hormones. ये हार्मोन चैप्टर का फर्स्ट पेज में ही दिया हुआ है. Select the answer which correctly matches the endocrine gland which with the hormone it secretes is function deficiency syndrome. Endocrine gland hormone function deficiency syndrome. Anterior pituitary oxytocin stimulate uterus contraction ड्यूरिंग द चाइल्ड बर्थ. ये पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी होना चाहिए था. पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्रोथ हार्मोन ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टिमुलेट्स एब्नॉर्मल ग्रोथ. ये एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी होना चाहिए था. थायराइड ग्लैंड थायरोक्सिन लैक ऑफ आयोडीन डाइट रिजल्ट्स इन गोइटर. ये होगा करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 159. or what is the correct sequence of sperm formation? Spermatid, spermatocyte, spermatogonia, spermatozoa. If first होगा spermatogonia, then spermatocyte, then spermatid, then spermatozoa. Option number D is the correct answer. Menstrual flow occurs due to lack of progesterone, FSH, oxytocin, vasopressin. Answer होगा option A, progesterone. Which of the following is the not function of the placenta? Facilitates supply of oxygen and nutrient to embryo. Secrete estrogen. Facilitate removal of carbon dioxide and waste material from embryo. Secrete oxytocin during pituation. Answer option number D. Secrete oxytocin during pituation. A pituitary का काम है. Then one of the legal method of the birth control, abortion by taking appropriate medicine, by abstaining from coitus from 10 to 17 days of menstrual cycle, by having coitus with one day break, by premature ejaculation during coitus. ये तीनों का तीनों नेचुरल मेथड है, ये होगा एक लीगल मेथड. 163. Which of the following cannot be detected in developing fetus by amniocentesis? Klinefelter syndrome, sex of the fetus, Down syndrome, jaundice. Answer होगा option number D, that is jaundice. Sorry. At question number 164, artificial insemination means transfer of sperms of a healthy donor to a test tube containing ova, transfer from sperms of a husband to a test tube containing ova, artificial introduction of sperm of a healthy donor into the vagina, introduction of sperm of a healthy donor into the ovary. Answer option number C, that is artificial introduction of sperm of a healthy donor into the vagina. Which Mendelian idea is depreciated by cross which F1 generation resembles both the parent? Incomplete dominance, low dominance, inheritance of one gene, कोडोमिनेंस. एक्चुअली ये कोडोमिनेंस होना चाहिए था, मगर मेंडल ने कोडोमिनेंस के बारे में नहीं बताए थे, सो मेंडल के हिसाब से ये लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस होना चाहिए. Then question number 166, the incorrect statement with regards to hemophilia, it is a sex-linked disease, it is a recessive disease, it is a dominant disease, a single protein involved in the clotting blood is affected. ये recessive, ये dominant. तो इस दोनों के बीच में एक ही आंसर है. So it is a sex-linked recessive disease. So it is not a dominant. This is the incorrect. In both the parents are carrier for thalassemia, which is the autosomal recessive disorder. What are the chances of progeny resulting in affected child? No chance, 50%, 25%, 100%. Answer होगा option number C, that is 25%. The diagram show an important concept in the DNA. Fill in the blanks. DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein proposed by. DNA to mRNA होगा transcription, then mRNA to protein translation. So option number C is the correct answer. Which of the enzymes should be produced in the nonsense mutation in the LAC-Y gene? Beta galactoside, lactopermease, translatase, lactose permease, and translatase. One. Beta galactosidase, option number A. According to Darwin, the organic revolution is to interspecific competition with closely related species, reduced feeding efficiency on species due to the presence of interfering species. Answer होगा option number B, that is interspecific competition. The eye of the octopus and the eye of the cat show different patterns of structure form similar function. Yeah, ये होगा analogous organ and convergent evolution. जब सिमिलर फंक्शन होगा तो एनालोगस ऑर्गन होगा और कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन. इन्फेक्टेड of ascaris occurs due to drinking water by eggs of ascaris, eating imperfectly cooked pork, cc fly, mosquito bite. Answer होगा option number A. The cell-mediated immune response made the human body is carried by T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte, thrombocyte, erythrocyte. Answer होगा option number A, that is T lymphocyte. In plant breeding program, the entire collection of having all diverse allele for all gene is a giving crop. Select a super recombinants, cross hybridization of the selected parent, evaluation and selection of parent, germplasm collection. Answer होगा option number D, that is germplasm collection. During sewage treatment, biogas are produced, which include methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, मीथेन ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड, ये होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज इसका ट्रिक है मैक, मीथेन हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड।